welcome back to Mo's World. I'm Mo. I just finished washing my hair this morning and I didn't let it air dry because I don't have time. I went under my heated dryer that I've showed you in a previous video. Love that thing. It's so helpful to dry my hair so quickly. So anyways, I am about to do something a bit sporadic, but not super sporadic. I did tell you guys I've been wanting to do something like this. I've been doing tons of research on YouTube and Google, and I'm excited. We're gonna see if this works. So if you haven't already guessed what it is, I'm about to tell you. Your girl is gonna try some Manic Panic. Anyways, I'm super excited. It is in the color Hot Pink. You can see that. And I bought two just in case because I'm not sure if I'm going to need both, but if I don't, I'll just use the one and save the other one for later if it works out nicely, and if it doesn't, you know, take it, return it, and get my money. So anyways, I got them from Sally's. They are $9.99 a piece, but if you have a Sally's card, I think it ended up being like $9.49 a piece. You can also get them at some local beauty supply stores. I haven't found them at all. Let's see. What else? This is going to be a two-part video. In this first video, it's going to be me telling you the supplies, all that jazz, and you actually seeing the application process. I am a bit in a rush because I'm currently at my house. I need to go to my parents' house because my mom has so graciously agreed to do it for me. Can we say hallelujah for the awesome mamas that still help their adult children? So I was like, why do this by myself and be messy when she could do it for me? Like, love it. Anyways, she's awesome. So these are the things I got. I'm going to show you the supplies. Then after that, I will end up telling you or showing the application process. I will not show me washing it out because I'm going to leave it in for a while. If you would please look at some of the videos in the description box below. I placed 3 to 4 videos in there, and they are just other YouTubers that I saw to be the most helpful. Their videos are the most helpful about using Manic Panic on natural hair, natural virgin hair. Okay, because there are a lot of people that go on say Manic Panic is so awesome and I got this great color, but they pre-lighten their hair or they've dyed it a year or so ago. It's not like it just goes away. If you've lightened or dyed your hair in any way or any time and that hair is still on your head, then it's going to pick up semi-permanent color. So Manic Panic is a semi-permanent color. It only deposits color. It does not lift. There are no chemicals. It is vegan. There are no pre-lighteners. You do not, you can put it with a developer or some type of bleaching agent, but the instructions do not say to do that. It is only to deposit color. Your hair should be pre-lightened to get the best color. To get this hot pink color, my hair would need to be pre-lightened. I don't want to do that. I just want color deposited. So with my dark brown hair and this hot pink, I'm hoping for some type of red color. You know, we'll see. But all that to be tested. So the people in the videos below, that's exactly what they did. They said that they had natural virgin hair. They tried it. They put this on for hours. I think one of the ladies did it for a full 20 to 23 hours. They left it on, which you can do that with semi-permanent color because there are no bleaching agents in it. And plus this is vegan, so it's about as healthy as it gets. It seems more like a colored deposit versus an actual hair dye or a stainer, anyways, hair stainer. So we're gonna test it out. I'm so stoked, guys. I'm just hoping, because I've seen a lot of fail videos, like more fail videos than success videos, and I think the common thing I've noticed is, one, if your hair's gonna take it or not, you just can't know, and then 2, unless you try, and then 2, keeping it on long enough. I think other people that it didn't work so well with, they only left it in for an hour, hour and a half, 3 hours tops. I'm trying to leave it in for at least 8 hours. I don't know if I'll be able to go the full 24 hours. I've got places to be, things to do, but I definitely want to try to leave it in at least 8 hours. So we shall see. So I bought this color bowl right here. Just got it at a local beauty supply store. I'm going to take the color out of here because this is really small and inconvenient. Scoop it out with a plastic spoon. You don't use metal with color. Put it in here, and then I've got gloves also from local beauty supply store. Got these from my mom. She could just gloop it and then just slather that mug on my hair. I think I would like to leave my roots untouched personally, because when it's blotchy and it doesn't take very well, I think it looks not the best when your roots are completely colored and you kind of got like, I don't know, a situation happening because it's not all completely colored the same color as the rest of your hair. I don't know. I'm not a fan of that look. So, and I like darker roots. Also, I have shower cap, and I also bought this conditioner cap. It's like a foil cap. That way I could just put this on and maybe put this one over it, wear it throughout the time I'm going to have this color in my hair, so it's constantly having its natural heat for the color to take the longest. That is pretty much it. When I wash it out, since I have just washed my hair, I'm not going to use shampoo or any of that when taking this out because there's no chemicals in it, so it's nothing that needs to be washed out of my hair. Nothing's unsafe. I am going to wash it out with cold water, and that is it. If you use shampoo and hot water, it will strip the color much quicker, and most of the color will be falling down the drain along with your money. So to prevent that from happening, I've washed my hair beforehand. My hair is dry. I'm putting this on dry hair, and I will be washing it out with cold water in the sink because I can't bear to use cold water in this shower. Also, I got this other thing from Sally's. It's Ion Color Brilliance. It is a absolute perfection color sealer. It is a conditioner. They usually have these at the front register at Sally's. I think it was like $1.29. But they had this deal when I went and buy 2 get 1 free. So I got 3 of these mugs. I'm only going to use one. I am going to put this in, where is it at? This little bottle right here. Dilute it with water so it's not like super thick on my locks. Put this in here, dilute it with water, put it all over my hair, and rinse out again with cold water. And that's the process, y'all. That's what we're going to do. So the next time, or part 2 video will be the big reveal and my thoughts. Did it work? Did it not work? Who knows? This video is me detailing everything I'm going to do and then showing a bit of the application process. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, please stay tuned. Also, please subscribe. I would love for you to join the family. And then also click the bell icon if you want to be alerted for the next video, especially for part 2. You don't want to miss part 2. You know, that's what you're here for, right? You want to see the color. So anyways, you guys take care. I have to run to get to my parents' house. I will see you in the next clip with the application process.